Hello students, let's see about types of movement in plants. Types of tropic movements. Tropism in plants. Tropism is a unidirectional movement of a part of a plant towards the direction of stimuli. Types of tropism. Phototropism. Movement of a plant part towards light. Example, shoot of a plant. Geotrophism. Movement of a plant part in response to gravity. Example, root of a plant. Hydrotropism. Movement of a plant or part of a plant towards water. Example, root of a plant. Thigmotropism. Movement of a plant part due to touch. Example, climbing vines. Chemotropism. Movement of a part of plant in response to chemicals. Example, growth of a pollen tube in response to sugar present on the stigma. Phototropism. Tropism is generally termed positive if growth is towards the signal and negative if it is away from the signal. Shoot of a plant moves towards the light, the roots move away. Thus the shoots are positively phototrophic. Usually, shoot system of the plant is positively phototropic and negatively geotropic, and root system is negatively phototropic and positively geotropic. Do you know? Tropism allows plant to get the best conditions for its survival. Tropic movements are slow, directional movements towards or away from the stimulus, and it depends on growth. Nastic movement is an immediate action. Some halophytes produce negatively geotropic roots. Example, Rhizophora. These roots turn 180-degree upright for respiration. Experiment. What stimulus is making the primary root to go down? Take a glass trough and fill it with sand. Keep a flower pot containing water plugged at the bottom at the center of the glass trough. Place some soaked pea or bean seeds around the pot in the sand. What do you observe after 6 or 7 days? It will be observed that the primary root has grown towards the pot and moisture instead of growing downwards. It proves that primarily root is positively hydrotropic and that hydrotropism is stronger than geotropism. Nastic movements. Nastic movements are non-directional response of a plant or part of a plant to stimulus. Types of nastic movements. Thigmonasty, photonasty, thermonasty. Thigmonasty. Movement of a part of plant in response to touch. Example, Mimosa pudica folds leaves and drops when touched. Thigmonasty is also known as seismonasty. Photonasty. Movement of a part of a plant in response to light. Example, Samania salmon. Thermonasty. Movement of a part of a plant is associated with change in temperature. Example, tulip. Differences between tropic and nastic movements. Tropic movements. Unidirectional response to the stimulus. Nastic movements. Non-directional response to the stimulus. Growth-dependent movements, growth-independent movements. More or less permanent and irreversible, temporary and reversible. Found in all plants, found only in a few specialized plants. Slow action, immediate action. Thank you.